Hello, my name is Nathan. I'm the technician working on this vehicle today. We have this vehicle in for an oil change and a 90,000 mile service. We're going to take a look at the tires and brakes here. Left front tire is at 330 seconds. Left front brake is at 80%. Right front tire is at 430 seconds. Right front brake is at 80%. Right rear tire is at 530 seconds. Right rear brake is at 80%. Left rear tire is at 330 seconds. Left rear brake is at 80%. On these tires here on the front ones, we can see that the shoulders are worn bald. These tires will need replacement. Recommendations for this vehicle will be 4 tires and an alignment.